everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Rick and Rye, episode 6. The Spatchy. Spatchcock chicken. We're going to spatchcock a chicken, Rye.
Are we allowed to put that on video?
I think we
are.
What
are we doing
it's
to
a real
the chicken?
Term. We're going to flatten the chicken. We're going to barbecue the chicken. So you have a chicken.
Why the cock part?
I don't know. I didn't name it. It's called the Spatchcock. It's how you
Is it because it's like a rooster, so it's a cock? Now you don't know why it's called Scratch My Cock Chicken.
No, I didn't name the Spatchcock. Spatchy, let's go.
So now Richard's starting to step in my world. This is where you get fucked today, Richard.
All right, we'll see. So, we have a trussed chicken. We start off with this. Don't wash it. I don't want. It's trussed, right? The arms are trussed.
Why is mine not trussed then?
Because I cut yours off, so I didn't want to cut you.
See, look, he's already
You're
fucking around.
You cut yourself. Last time you're drinking, I don't want you to.
And I'm not hungover today.
Okay, good. So here.
Okay. So fucking.
So this is how you buy your chicken in a store. It's trussed. So we want to cut this off. Pull this out. We want to present the back.
It's got a feather sticking out.
So
of
here,
his
we can cut the feather. Culinary scissors for bones. So you can cut your bone here, and here's a nice blade. So what I do is I go across the back, and you cut the other side off.
Looks like a fucking dick. Look, it looks like a dick with a foreskin.
Okay, so we have the backbone, and now we have some of the skin. So I'm just going to cut some of the skin off. We don't want the skin on there. And turn it around so the legs are in front of you. And there's a little bone right here. We just want to...
What's that bone called?
I don't know what the bone's called. So we just want to take the bone and you just want to slice into that bone. Then what you do is when you put it back over, you take your hand and you break its backbone. So now the full bone is broken and you can put it on your serving tray and you can dress it how you want. Okay, right?
Oh fuck, I gotta do this shit? Just like this?
Yeah.
Kidding. Wait. I got it.
You got it?
I think I broke your scissors though.
You can't break these scissors. Okay. I won't test you there.
Do I keep going? Just
Yeah,
this?
all the way down the backbone.
Oh,
That's it. Look how easy it is.
Right by the pooper.
Yeah.
You're fucked.
One more. I'm gonna wash
I thought there was a special bone I'm supposed to fucking pull.
Yeah, you gotta break this bone right here. Right?
How?
Now you can use your scissors and cut in.
Okay, I got away. I know how I'm gonna break
All
this
right.
chicken.
Break it.
Okay. Well, I need to go outside to break it.
Okay. All right. So what are you gonna do outside? You can't do in here.
Because it might make a mess.
Okay. All right. We're going outside.
Okay, we're going outside.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be.
All right, we're back in the kitchen with Rye with his already flattened chicken.
So, a true professional chef knows how to be efficient. And that, look at, oh shit. Shit. Hold on, leg. That's a Scratch My Cock chicken if I've ever seen one. Run it over with the, look at it. Fucking perfect. You thought it's fucking ruined. Feather. That's gonna be beautiful. Wait till my shit gets on.
Okay. I don't even know how you're gonna use this. Okay. One Audi run over chicken.
Yes.
And one properly done. I mean, they look the same. Yours is a little flatter in the middle maybe, but okay.
The same.
So I am going to start with putting a little bit of Dijon on mine. And go ahead. What do you need, Ryan?
I need a brush. Well, not yet. Hold on. I am busting out. because we are barbecuing today.
We're barbecuing.
My
Is
world
this-
famous
is this
rub.
The famous rub?
This is, I'm kicking Richard's ass today.
Alright. Are we,
We can share the recipe. I'll have to send it to you or whatever. We'll write it down because it's a lot of fucking shit in there. It's mostly sugar, paprika, a lot of salt, a lot of pepper, and then you put garlic, onion powder, celery seed. That's the secret ingredient. Adds the earthiness, makes it great. Awesome on fucking ribs. Awesome on pork. It's great. It's good on chicken too. You need the sweet, you need the salt, you need the pepper.
Okay.
See, we're in my backyard right now.
Alright.
I need to finger the chicken. Oh, yeah.
I'm getting right in there.
Do you got a spoon?
I'm
Actually, I
scared.
could get it. I could get it with my fingers.
You like sticking your fingers in cold, wet places.
Well,
Warm, wet
not
places.
cold. Fuck, I don't fuck dead bodies.
Alright, I'm just going to use a little bit of salt on mine. And I'm going to use some pepper. So,
Shit, yeah.
so here's mine. Nice, simple, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard chicken. Are you finished fingering your chicken?
Bad boy. There, all fingered up.
Alright.
Now, can you do me a favor? Because my hands are chickeny.
Yep.
Can you put some of that rub in a bowl?
Do you want me to pour
Okay,
it?
so, yeah. Just sprinkle it inside. Be generous. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, you good? You need toothpicks? You need elastic bands?
No, I just gotta figure out which way this chicken goes. Okay. There.
Alright, your chicken looks good.
Now I need some.
Okay, while Rye's doing that, I am going to start my potatoes.
Did you ever think a fucking run over chicken would look this fucking good?
I think that is going to be on fire in the barbecue.
No, it won't. Because we're not doing your fucking let's cook it in 3 seconds fucking shit.
And I do that?
Yes.
Okay.
See the finesse I do? See the fucking.
See the finesse, right?
It's the-
I just know mine was done like 2 hours ago.
Okay, and that's why yours is
and
gonna
yours
be
is
garbage.
Still going.
All the nooks and crannies. Fuck, why you gotta fuck around? I'm gonna fucking. You know? You're a little pot smoker. Yeah, I'll watch the barbecue here, Richard. It's on thermal heat.
Okay, so I turned it
500.
down.
It's fucking 500.
Okay, then turn what you need down.
Okay, so you're using one half, I'm using the other half. Nothing, right? These aren't on? This thing's on low and it's fucking 500 degrees.
Then we'll turn some off. Rye loves to complain. Stick yours on, Rye, and I'm gonna stick mine on.
Fungoon. Hold on, the tongs aren't gonna work. I want to place it nicely. It's too hot. Oh, that smells fucking delicious. Smell that. The cameras can smell.
Camera said it smells good, Rye. I like to go skin side down. Rye doesn't do skin side down. I want to crisp up my skin, and then I'm going to turn it over. Chicken on, and Rye is going to do his mushrooms. I'm not going to do mine. I got button mushrooms till the end, but I do have my garlic, and I love garlic with chicken. So I'm going to just roast my garlic, and we went through that a couple episodes ago. So I'm just going to stick this in the oven.
Alright, so here's my mushrooms. I put some fucking shit on them.
I'm going to tell you right, I like to cut the gills off. I don't like that flavor. I just shave them off, and I know you have them on. So some people like it, some people don't.
I'm going to add a little bit of the
magic? So what'd you add before?
steak spice, I said.
Oh, okay.
I just want a little bit of this.
Alright,
Just
okay.
enhance it.
Alright.
It's all about enhancement. Oh, wait till we come to plate decorating. Look at these little fucking bad boys. Huh? Well, this is going to be so nice for decorating.
Okay, I'm ready for our mushrooms. Use a lot of butter. I like to use button mushrooms. And want to add a little salt. Salt will help draw the moisture out of the mushrooms.
The beauty part of outdoor cooking is outdoor partying
Bong it up, Rye.
Well, you're barbecuing.
Dick.
This is the hardest part about
This is the hardest
cooking.
part. Drinking some wine, having a cigar. Is that better? You feel better now?
Yeah.
All right, got nice sizzle on the skin.
Mine looks fucking delicious though.
Okay, all right. Mine looks kind of good too. Salt and pepper chicken.
This is salt and pepper and everything in the cupboard chicken.
It
This
is
is Kick
everything.
Richard's ass chicken. Richard, how's barbecuing doing?
It's going good, Rye. I'm happy with my chicken.
Yeah?
I don't want to say I'm going to kick your ass, but I'm going to kick your ass.
Okay. Big words, big words. A little bit. This burner, I want to turn this burner off. And then, because we got these two on, so I need some more heat on the front of my bird. My bird.
Now I am going to put mine up top. So I put mine up top for a little indirect heat.
This fucking goddamn camera person keeps shutting shit off when I want to be funny.
Yep.
It is Spatchcock beat Richard chicken. Fucking whatever.
Check the potatoes. The potatoes look great. Okay, potatoes are pulled off. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter now to my potatoes. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon peel.
Try a piece.
I'm going to. Here. No, we gotta do it. If you're gonna try, you gotta do it the right way.
Holy fuck.
They're fucking hot.
Mm-hmm. Good though.
Oh, we're good. Oh, yeah, they're good. Okay, button mushrooms got a nice color to them. Now I'm gonna add some soy. And I'm gonna glaze them. And when you're doing this with soy, just keep turning them. This will burn off and it will turn to a really nice salty glaze. Okay, so time to plate. You gonna start plating yours?
Yeah, I don't know if I want that shit on camera, but yeah.
Let's go, let's plate it.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh fuck! I gotta cut first before I plate. I can't do both at the same time. Okay, so I got my chicken pieces. I got my breast. Oh, I got my breast. Fuck you. I fucked up some. There we go.
Okay, Ryan?
Yeah, I got it all under control. That one's better. Okay. You fucking done plating yet, Wizard?
I am almost done plating.
Good. I'm gonna drop the garlic. Okay. Get the camera and shit on this shit. This is where we put Richard to bed. Look how fucking beautiful it is.
They are nice looking leaves. Look at that.
Fucking with my plating. It wasn't like that. Look at it. You fucking with it. It's gonna be beautiful. Oh. Look at like that. Oh, we'll add some small ones in for pizzazz.
Look at you, Rat. That's great.
That's too small. Okay. Beautiful. Look at this. Who's fucking winning this shit? Look at this fucking kid.
Well done. Nice. Rye, I gotta say, well done.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys. Here is lemon pepper chicken, potatoes, garlic, and mushrooms, and rye.
Barbecue chicken, good old sugar kind of rub thingamabobber on her. And I plated it nicely with some nice
You
herbs
did.
from the garden.
Yeah,
You know, reuse, recycle, right?
yeah.
So, no, this looks good, the mushroom. So what, people gotta pick who's better, right?
Which plate's better?
Get a fucking zoom up on this motherfucker right here, because this is the winner. And listen, if you...
It really is a winner chicken dinner.
Yeah, and if you pick mine, because that's what people have to do, right?
Yeah, in the comments.
If I win, I'll
You'll
pick...
send him a leaf.
No, if one of them's a female, I'll go on a date with her.
Oh, you got the date. Okay.
There you
All
go.
right. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching episode 6, Cooking with Rick and Rye. And this is the Spatchy, Spatchcock chicken.
Scratch my cock chicken. Cheers.
Good job.